Hi, my name is Evelyn Marquez and I'm a biologist major at Indian River State College. At the River, I got a lot of experience in different fields in biology, such as marine science and ecology. With having so much experience, I was able to apply to many different internships. Once I finish with my bachelor's degree, I would like to pursue a master's, continuing research in marine biology, and then eventually either be a professor or be a research tech. Being a part of extracurriculars here at the River gave me a lot of community service, leadership experience, and I'm involved at Science Club, which has helped me build real-world experience. A few professors that really helped me and always supported me is definitely Dr. Bartow and Professor Carroll. I would like to give a huge thank you to them. What I would say to an incoming freshman is always go with your passion. If you're really passionate about something, work towards it. Talk to your professors, talk to your classmates. Everyone here is here to help you. My name is Evelyn Marquez and I'm a biologist major at Indian River State College.